As we're coming into 2021, it's important for California employers to review their employee handbooks and ensure they're compliant coming into the new year. California employers will have to be updating their policies to comply with the new laws that were just passed this year by Governor Newsom. So it's important for California employers to update their leave policies to comply with SB 1383. It's a new law that was passed in 2020 that now applies to California employers with 5 or more employees, and also changes some definitions for the larger employers that had 50 or more employees that the law already applied to. So it's important that California employers take a look at their leave policies and update the policies to comply with this new law. Employers should take a look at their policies pertaining to leave for victims of domestic abuse, sexual assault, or stalking. AB 2992 was passed in 2020, and that changes that leave law and the requirements that employers have to provide certain leaves for victims of these types of issues going forward in 2021. Now, employers should also take the opportunity to review their current handbooks and ensure that they have the required policies under California law. For example, there should be an at-will statement setting forth that the employees are employed on an at-will basis, and that can only be changed in writing by somebody higher up in the company, such as the president. There should also be a policy that the employer has a right to revise the employee handbook, and that this current handbook being published supersedes all prior handbooks. And also, California employers should have a harassment, discrimination, and anti-retaliation provision in their handbooks. And employees should sign off that they've received that policy as well. Also, under California law, California employers should have a pregnancy disability leave policy, a sick leave policy setting forth the California sick leave requirements, as well as any local jurisdictional requirements for sick leave as well. And finally, California employers should also have lactation accommodation policy. And now, even though it's not required, it is recommended that the California employers have meal and rest break policies, as well as timekeeping policies. Again, it's not required under the law, but we see so much litigation on those fronts, it's recommended that California employers have those policies in place. Now, here at Zaller Law, we do help employers update their current handbooks or develop new employee handbooks. So if you need help, feel free to reach out to any of our attorneys. Thanks.